Hi guys, we have a few drawings and these are apples in a basket, okay? So we have 4 apples in each basket, okay? Some are red and some are green. We're going to take a look at how many we can make red and green, okay? So in this first basket, I'm going to make 2 apples green and 2 apples red. Does that make sense? Yes, we have 2 green, 2 red. That makes 4. Okay. On the second basket, I'm going to make 3 apples red and 1 apple green. 3 and 1 makes 4. Now in this last basket, I don't like red apples, so I'm going to put all 4 green. Okay, so there are 4 green and 0 red. That still makes 4 apples. Okay, so let's keep going with the apples. There are 4 green apples and 1 red apple. A worm gets into hold of 2 apples. How many apples are left? There are 3 apples left. Okay. If we have 3 balloons, but 1 balloon gets popped, there are 2 balloons left. Okay, last one. We have 5 triangles, but 4 get lost. How many triangles do we have? That's right, there is just 1 triangle left.